How to create avatar on Instagram. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then you want to tap on Edit Profile. Once you're here, you have the option of avatar, so click on this avatar icon. Then tap on the Create Avatar option. Here it's going to ask you if you want to use your avatar from Facebook. If you want to create a fresh avatar for Instagram, tap on No Create New Avatar option. Now the first thing you have to do is choose a skin tone for your avatar. Then tap on Next. Now you can customize your hairstyle. You can choose whichever hairstyle you want. Then tap on Next. Choose a hair color. Then tap on Next. Now you can choose the shape of your face. Tap on Next. Now you also have the option to customize your outfit. Choose whichever outfit that best suits you, then tap on Done. After that, your avatar is now being updated. And now as you can see, your avatar has been created, and that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.